So regulation of medical devices is absolutely critical. You cannot put product onto the UK market without complying with all of the legislation. The UK regulations are now diverging from the European regulations. It is a process which is very readily understood by people that have been through the process many times. However, if you're starting from scratch, it can be quite a minefield. So I think it's absolutely vital to speak to someone who's been through the process and has experience and is able to guide you. And it makes it much more simple, much more cost effective and much faster to do that. So InnoScot Health can offer a range of services. At the very start of the process, we can give you some advice and help as to what's required for regulatory approval of medical devices. We can work with the NHS taking devices out to the market. We can make sure that they're developed and designed in such a way that they can be easily regulated. Regulatory approval for medical devices should never be determined as a barrier. It should be considered a better way of getting safe and effective products. Once the product's on the market, it makes sure that they remain safe and effective. So this help can be given to anyone within NHS Scotland, from the chief executives, who will actually have a legal responsibility attached to regulation of devices, through to the innovator that just wants to develop products that makes their job easier to do. We're also able to work with SMEs and universities who want to develop medical devices in conjunction with the NHS, and we can help them to come into the health space where perhaps they may not previously have had any experience. If there's anyone that requires more information about medical device regulation, the first port of call would be the InnoScot Health website. I would love people to reach out to me. This is my bread and butter, this is what excites me, so I like to talk about it. So if anyone has an interest, then I'm more than happy to spend time with them.